Is it possible to earn several $1,000s per session on binary options with the help of a trading bot? Now I will test it on my personal experience. This time I will not make decisions on my own, but will just follow the prompts of artificial intelligence. Let's see where it will lead. Hello friends, here's Simon. I've been making good money on binary options for more than 3 years. For this purpose, I'm constantly developing, studying new strategies and discussing them with you in my Telegram channel. But many people say that there is another way. The other day, one of my subscribers sent me a link to a free bot. He says that he earned $5,000 a week just by following the signals of the bot from the creators of the ChatGPT. Well, that sounds like a challenge. Right now, in front of your eyes, I'm going to test this bot in real conditions. To be honest, I don't really trust bots.
Trust me.
Yes, guys, this is an experiment. I don't recommend you to use bots because I don't want you to lose money because of machine recommendations. But I'm willing to risk just a little bit of my money so you can see if it works in practice. All I will ask from you is to like this video so that more beginner traders can see my useful videos. And as for signals, there is more workable way to make a few $1,000s a week without much effort. Subscribe to my free Telegram channel at the link in the description and get tips, tricks and trading signals from me. Signals based on experience and chart analysis, not on machine algorithms. My win rate is 85.7%, so I know what I'm talking about. This is your first step to financial freedom and high standard of living. Okay, now let's see if the bot will be as successful at trading as I am. I will first try to analyze chart and make decisions on my own, and then I will try to follow the bot's prompts. Let's see who'll earn more. In the beginning, let's see how well I can do without the help of a bot, relying on my own knowledge. In this case, we will use 3 currency pairs: Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar, Euro and Swiss franc, and New Zealand dollar and Japanese yen. Next, let's add an indicator. Today I will use my favorite indicator, MACD. So let's get it started. New Zealand dollar and Japanese yen. Here we see how the price tends to go down and approach its local support level, from which there should be a good bounce. And that means we should open a higher option in this case. We open a trade for $100. Excellent start! $1,092 on the account. And we are moving on. Let's change the currency pair to Euro and Swiss franc. So we got profit after the first trade, so we'll increase the amount to $200. Now let's look at the chart. We have a downward movement of the chart here. Looking at MACD indicator, our conclusions are confirmed. The signal line is above the green MACD line. This indicates the strength of the downtrend. Therefore, we can safely open lower option. Nice trade, Simon! Profit from the trade of $384. Let's not stop. Let's move on to the third currency pair. Let's increase the amount to $300. Now let's analyze the charts. Everything is quite simple here. The chart is moving downward. The indicator confirms a strong downtrend, and that's a sure sign that we should open a lower option. I'm almost 100% sure that we'll make a profit. And that's right! Our balance now is $1,276. But we can do more! Let's turn to the second currency pair, and we'll increase the amount to $400. So here we can see how the chart went down and touched the support level and started to grow. If we also pay attention to the long hairpin at the green candle, we can see what strong resistance the buyers have pushing the price up. For us, this will be the optimal point to open a higher option. Let's get in the trade! Ooh, that's what I'm talking about! Another $768 to the account! Let's change the currency pair again and set a new amount of $500. Let's look at the chart. We see a powerful downtrend, So far, I don't see any preconditions for change. The MACD indicator also confirms the continuation of the downtrend, which means that we can safely open a lower option. Perfect! Bang, 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 bang! The profit from this transaction amounted to $960. We've increased our balance up to $1,380 in 10 minutes. As you can see, I'm pretty good at analyzing charts. Now let's see if the trading bot will be as accurate in its predictions. Before starting the experiment, I withdrew my money from the account and left exactly the same amount in it as I had before starting my own trading session without the bot. I'm still not ready to trust the bot with a large amount of money. This time, I will not set indicators. Let the bot think for me and I will just follow its signals. If we win, I will also raise the bet by $100. I already have several currency pairs open, so let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. So for the first currency pair, the New Zealand dollar and the Japanese yen. We request a signal from the bot and we get the answer that it's necessary to take a put option. So that's what we're gonna do. Yes, and we have the first profit. The bot was right and now I have $1,092 on my balance. Maybe artificial intelligence is really ready to replace humans. Let's do another trade. Let's move on. The third currency pair. Raise the amount to 200 and ask for prediction from the bot. It also recommends taking the lower option. I'm not sure that's a good decision right now. The risk is pretty high, but I promised that I would only follow the bot signal. Ooh, bad decision! And our balance is now $892. Hey bot, looks like you don't have enough analytical skills. How do you even create the signals? But let's not get upset, guys. It's just an experiment. Let's move on. The second currency pair, requesting a signal from the bot. Here comes the signal. Artificial intelligence thinks that the chart will go lower. So I choose a put option. Excellent! This time the transaction is profitable. We've increased the amount on our balance up to $1,276. I'm on fire today. We ain't gonna stop here. Let's see what will be further ahead of us, waiting for 2 more deals on the signals of this bot. You know, my friends, I really still don't understand what this bot is based on when it gives its forecast. That's why I'm not ready to recommend any trading bots to you. But there is something that I'm ready to recommend to all of you. This is my trading education community on Telegram. I put all my knowledge, all my experience and all my love into it. I will personally show you how to earn several $1,000s a week sitting at home in front of your computer. I will explain how to operate on the Pocket Option platform, how to analyze indicators and teach you profitable strategies. Not a single bot can give you such support. You can be a complete beginner in trading, but reach the standard of living you have always dreamed of. Follow the link in the description, subscribe and message me privately. Let's move on to the first currency pair. Request a forecast from the bot. In its opinion, the chart will go higher, so we need to choose the higher option. Okay, let's do that. Bad decision. The bot was wrong again. The balance is only $976. It's good that I don't spend all my deposit on a deal and watch risk management. I hope I will not reach zero with such signals. So the currency pair, the New Zealand dollar and the Japanese yen. According to the bot, the chart should go up. It recommends taking the lower option. The risk is very low and that's good, so I take the lower option. Excellent! This time the transaction is profitable. We've increased the amount on our balance up to $1,252. We made a small profit of $252. Unfortunately, artificial intelligence is not as good as we'd like it to be. It's time to summarize. I haven't been so nervous in a long time. It was unusual to trust my money to a machine. Fortunately, the bot did not bring us any losses, but the capital of $252 is several times less than my $1,380 that I earned when I made the decision without the help of artificial intelligence. Risking my own money is not worth it. Most importantly, I never understood how the bot analyzes charts and what its predictions are based on. So, no, friends, I will not disclose the name of the bot or give links to it. I don't want to take responsibility for the consequences. You've seen for yourself how an experienced trader is more successful than a machine. Do you remember my Telegram channel? The link to it is in the description. I not only conduct trading sessions there, which by the way each of you can participate in for free, but also explain step by step how to trade on binary options, how to use the trading platform. If you're a beginner, I even show you what buttons to press on the platform. I also give support to all participants every day. That is, you can expect that in a couple of days you will understand trading and can already get your first money, even with the most zero knowledge at the start. Yeah, for some people it may seem that trading, strategies, all this is very complicated, but in fact everything is much easier. I will personally help you with it. Imagine, you just need to enter the trades, following me, and you can consistently get the same result as me. I don't mind sharing my experience with people. I will gladly guide you step by step into the world of trading and help you to reach your new financial level of life. In order to make successful decisions based on strategy and not relying on chance, I recommend you to devote your time not to search for trading bots, but to study useful videos from me. Here is one of my favorite ones where I share my secret trading experience. And don't forget to like and click the bell. That's a way for me to understand that you need more content. Do you have any ideas on what algorithms bots use to analyze charts and give signals? Leave them in the comments, I'm really interested in reading. Now I need to take a break and think about the topic of the next video. Have a good one!